I'm twisting and turning, colors blend in my hand. With every rotate, I'm taking a stand. The world in a cube, a puzzle so grand. Burn a Rubik's legacy, you gotta understand. One cube, one dream, let the colors ignite. In this game of patience, I'm ready to fight. I love my Rubik's Cube, colors spinning so bright. Every move I take, I'm ready for the fight. In this puzzle of life, I'll conquer the night. With my Rubik's Cube, I'm feeling alright. 500 million sold, it's a worldwide craze. In every living room, got us lost in a maze. From 80 on, this icon stays in the Hall of Fame, it forever plays. Just twist it right, feel the rhythm inside. With every move I make, watch my confidence. I love my Rubik's Cube, colors spinning so bright. Every move I take, I'm ready for the fight. In this puzzle of life.
144. 144.742. 1 minute, 44 seconds, .742. That's not my best time, but close, 13 seconds, I think. Bam! I'm gonna show you guys how to do the beginner's method, in case you don't know. You have to do the daisy.
First, you will surround the yellow centers with the white edges. This will form what looks like a daisy.
You look for the yellow center, and now you gotta put the white on the edges to make the daisy. So just look for the centers. One's right there, one's right there. One's right there. Where's the other one? All the way down on the bottom. That's the daisy. There is you just have to mess around with it to figure out how to bring the whites over here as quickly as possible. That's what I've been doing.
We will move the white edges so that they connect with the white center, forming a cross at the bottom of the Rubik's Cube.
And now you got to match the edge with the center. Once you do that, you can twist it all the way down. Bring it down here. Red's already there. I can twist it all the way down. The orange is on the blue, so I got to find where the orange is at, its center, and I can bring it all the way down. Blue, I got to find the blue, and then bring it all the way down. Okay? So I got the white cross, and then the edges are matching the center on all of them.
Insert corners into the right places to form the very first layer of the Rubik's Cube.
Now you have to find, you're gonna solve the corner. You're gonna solve the corner. So what you're looking for is white, and have the white facing you, and it's orange and blue. Turn it to its corresponding corner where orange and blue are at. Orange and blue. Have the white facing you, and you go way up, back, down. See that? And do it again. There's a white one right there, and that's yellow and green. So I got to turn it to where it's yellow and green. Okay, the corner, and have it face the white facing you. And you go way up, back, down. I got one right here, which is green and red. Now I have it in the corner of the green and red. See that? And now you go, have the white facing you, away, up, back, down. Now I need one more. Now this one's on the top, so what you have to do is bring it where the empty is, so you won't move anything else, and then move it up and move it out, and then bring it back down. Now you have it back out. So you find the blue and red side where it matches the corner, have the white facing you, then you go away from the red. Away, up, back, down. All right. So now I got all the bottom solved, and they're matching the center.
Find an edge on the top layer that belongs to the middle layer by looking at the center pieces.
Alright, so now we're going to try to figure out the edges. Now this edge is blue, and I got the red over here. So blue, red matches, the blue matches the center, and now I got to bring this piece right here. So it's the same pattern. You go away, up, back down, and then you turn it away, up, back down, and it's right there. Let's see if you see another one. Now you got to find a piece that doesn't have yellow in it. You don't want to bring yellow down here. So look at that, green, red. Move it to the green, red section where it says green right here that's facing you, matches the center, and then red is over here. So you want to go away, up, back, down, turn it, away, back, up, back, down. Now the two bottom ones are solved.
After you are done with the second layer on the Rubik's Cube, you will be faced with 4 cases. One case is that the yellow cross is already done, as shown above. Here are the other 3.
Now we got to get the yellow cross. And this is one of the patterns you want to look for. A 9 o'clock pattern right here, you want to look for that, or a pattern that's straight across. Okay? So what you have to do here is turn. You have to make sure this is a 9 o'clock position, okay? And it doesn't matter where it's located as long as you have that 9 o'clock. Now you have to turn. You don't want to mess this up, so you got to turn it so you're not going to mess it up. And then you want to go up, away, back, down. And then you can turn it back again to see if you have the yellow cross. And as you can see, we don't have the yellow cross, but we do have that line, which is good. So you want to do that again. See, the bottom is still solved, the bottom 2. So you got to make sure that's orientated towards you, where the line's facing you like that, not up and down like this, facing you. So you go, so you want to move it like this, so you're not going to mess up this pattern right here. You go up, away, back, down. Well, something like that, yeah. So you got your yellow cross, okay?
Move the edges to match the sides of the Rubik's Cube.
Now we want to match these. You turn it so you match 2 that are the same. Now here we got red and yellow. Red and green. We got red and green. So what you want to do is have the green, one of the colors in the back, which is going to be the red in this case, and we have green pointing to my left. Now there's another beginning method where it goes, it's a different algorithm, but this one is red, green, and it's 2 pointing to the left. The ones we have to solve are pointing to the right. See that? This is what's facing me right now, and that's to my right. So what you want to do, this one's a long one, but it's not hard. You bring the right all the way down like this, and then you want to bring it towards you. And you want to bring it down again, and now you want to take it away from you. And you want to go down again, away from you. Down again. Now you want to bring it where you can bring it back together. So you want to bring it towards you, then up. See the yellow? And then you want to turn it where it's towards you because you want to put it back down here. And then switch it all the way down. And now turn the top to the right. And now you got everything's matching right here. Everything's matching. So
Your goal: move the last 4 corners such that they are in the right place on the Rubik's Cube, but not necessarily oriented correctly, i.e. twisted wrongly.
now what you want to do is get the edges to its respective corner. You don't have to stop it right now, but get it to a respective corner. So what you want to do is find one that's matching. It's 2 sides. So we got orange and blue. This is blue, but it's red, so that's not the one we want. Red and green. This is red and green. So this is the one we want. And what you want to do is make sure it's to the right corner, facing you right here, right corner. Okay. And now this is the pattern you want to do. It's not going to move that one. It's going to bring these to its right corner, but not this one. This one's going to stay the same. So you go up, away, up, back down, bring it back down, bring that back, and then bring it back down. And now you want to match the corners to its center, like that. Okay, so we still got the yellow cross, we still got red and green where it's supposed to be, and let's check this out. Now look, it's still not matching. So you got to make sure this is to the your right again, and you got to do the pattern one more time, maybe one more time. Bring that up, bring it down, bring that down, bring that down, bring that down, and then match the edge with this corner. Now, red and green, red and green, green and orange, green and orange, blue and orange, blue and orange. And that one is perfect right here, red and blue. It's actually orientated properly.
Your goal, Orient turn the corners and solve the Rubik's Cube.
So what you want to do is just flip it over, have white on the top. Now you have this corner right here. This is the corner you're going to be working on. And then you're going to keep this orange facing you. Whatever corner you pick first. Now if it's correct, you don't want that one. Okay? So just say the blue. You start with the blue, that's fine. We want to switch this. So what you want to do is go up, to the left, and back down to where it belongs. And you have to do it at least twice. You go up, to the left, down, to the right. And look, it's orientated. See that? You have to do it at least 2 times or 4 times. 2 times or 4 times. And now we want to keep this blue facing you at all times. Do not switch it. Okay? This blue, you started with this blue, and you're going to end with the blue. The blue is going to be facing you. So you turn it. This one's correct now, so you turn it. That one's correct too, so you keep turning it. That one's not correct. So you want to do that pattern again. Up, to the left, down, to the right. Up, to the left, down, to the right. And look, it's perfect. So it's either 2 or 4 times. And you turn it. And you want to do it again. Now you're going to look at all this. It looks like all that's jumbling everything up, but everything's going to go back together. So you go up, to the left, down, to the right, up to the left, back to the right, and look. Solve the cube.
Congratulations, you are officially a nerd.
It's not hard. That's the beginning method. And there's like 2 ways you can do the beginning method. 2 to 3 ways. But it's kind of the same. And there you have it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Okay? This is going to take some time. Eventually I'm going to have all these patterns up so you guys can see it. But this one was just a quickie way to tell you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, the beginning method. And this is the method I learned, and I learned it from YouTuber, and I'll put that YouTuber's link down below because I want to give her credit. Okay? She's the one that taught me how to do that. And it's very simple. Now, once you learn that really good, then you can start doing other. You can start like when you can skip the daisy once you get a little bit better, and you can just try to solve all the white once you get familiarized with everything. So you can skip that step where you have to flip it. Okay, so and there's a couple other steps you can change too, but those are going into advanced features or intermediate features. This is just a beginning method. So I solved it. So if you want to solve it with time, I got my timer here. I have my mat, so when you throw it down, it doesn't mess with the your table. Okay. This is how the Speedcubers do it. So I got this on Amazon and this timer on Amazon. So when it tells you to go, when it says green, you go poop, you grab it, and you start doing it, and then you drop it, and then put your hands back down, That's how you do the time. But not everybody wants to do time. First, try to solve it, and then if you want to do the time, speed time, then you can do that. You see how fast. My quickest time, I think it's 1:29 or something like that. 1:29. So I'm still not under a minute, but I think I have to go to make a few algorithms and not just do the beginning method. The beginning method is kind of slow. Alright, so that was it. So if you have any questions, by the way, I'm using a GameCube. I think it's 13 or so. Edition 13. I'm not 100% sure. So I got the GameCube and I like it. This is a speed cube. If you use a regular Rubik's Cube, it's hard to turn a little bit. And this is nice because you can just, as you can see, you can just
cube solved. I made my mark with each rotation, igniting that spark.
It turns pretty easy. So, if you have any questions, comment down below. Alright.
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.